Today we're going to change the air filter on the Stihl TS410 cut-off saw. First of all, we need to remove the air filter cover. Remove the 4 screws using the Torx spanner. Once that's done, remove the main air filter by pulling it away from the housing. Now that's removed, you can free the gauze filter seated behind it. Whilst the air filter is removed, you can check the tank breather to see if it's damaged, making sure the air ducts are clear from blockages. Then simply replace the gauze filter. The genuine gauze has a tab to indicate the correct way to fit it. Before replacing the main filter, make sure the seat is intact and not damaged. Now place the main air filter in, with the mould surrounding the ducts and the filter positioned over the gauze filter. Check the casing for cracks and signs of wear that would prevent a good seal being made. Place the casing back over the filter, ensuring it is seated correctly before screwing. Make sure the cover is secure without over-tightening. You don't want to split the plastic. That's how you change an air filter on the Stihl TS410 cut-off saw. All the parts and tools needed for the task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.